So as we have found we have seen that how to find the depth of sand bed. Similarly here, we have the formula to find the gravel layer, okay, depth of the gravel layer. So it has been given by this formula. This is the formula that we use for finding the depth of gravel layer. To start with, the size gradation of 2 mm at the top and 50 mm at the bottom is assumed. सगळ्यात वरती 2 mm ही साइज कन्सिडर केली जाते आणि सगळ्यात खाली 50 mm at the bottom. The required depth, which has been given by the letter L, small l, in centimeter of a component of gravel layer of size D. Okay, D साईजचा ग्रॅव्हल असेल तर त्याची किती डेप्थ त्या ठिकाणी असायला पाहिजे, मिनिमम डेप्थ ऑफ दॅट पर्टिक्युलर ग्रॅव्हल. So it has been given by this formula, that is depth of gravel layer L is equal to 2.54 into K into log of D. Okay, this is the formula that we use to find out this depth of gravel bed, where K can be taken as 12, K can be 12 consider price, and G is nothing but it is gravel size in mm. So this D is nothing but it is gravel size in mm. Okay, so this is the empirical formula for finding the depth of gravel bed in the rapid sand filter. Okay, so write on the title and write on this formula and this meaning. Is it over? Yes, it is over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next criteria or design parameters for this rapid sand filter is the rate of filtration. So write on this range for the rate of filtration. It varies between 3000 to 6000 liters per meter square per day. See the difference between this rate of filtration for the slow sand filter and rapid sand filter. There it was 200 to 200 liter per meter square per hour, right? And for the rapid sand filter, it is in thousands, 3000 to 600, 6000 liter per meter square per hour. Then L by B ratio here, it should vary from 1.25 to 1.5. Then in the slow sand filter, we have considered the L by B ratio is equal to 2. Here it is 1.25 to 1.5. Then surface area for the 1 unit, it should vary between 20 meter square to 15 meter square. Okay, this surface area is small as compared to the rapid sand slow sand filter, and it is constructed under roof generally. Write down these things: rate of filtration, then L by B ratio, and surface area. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
So let us solve the problems now here. Problem based upon the rapid sand filter. Write down. The city has water demand of 12 mld. City has a water demand of 12 mld. What is mld? Who will tell what is mld?
Million liter per day.
Correct. It is 12 million liters per day. Full stop. Design a rapid sand filter and also find depth of sand bed required for filter. So here we have to design the filter, means we have to find out what is the length and what is the breadth of the filter. Also we have to find out the depth of the sand bed. Okay, these things we have to find out. Assume suitable data. Under drainage system design is not expected in this problem. Okay, so we have to just design the filter and find out what is the depth of sand bed. Okay, so let us write down the given things first. Now here discharge water demand is 12 mld. It is given. So ml is nothing but it is million liters. So we can write it as a 12 into 10 to the power 6 liter per day. Okay. And instead of considering this 12 mld as a average discharge, they have considered it as a maximum discharge. Okay. Qmax is equal to 12.6 12 into 10 to the power 6 liters per day. The rate of filtration you can assume between that range, whatever the range we have seen here. 3,000 to 6,000 liters per hour per meter square, and it has been considered as a 6,000 liters per meter square per hour. Then BI, that index, breakthrough index, there is a range for that. Here you can see breakthrough index range. It is 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 to 6 into 10 to the power minus 3. Out of this, you can take the any one value. So here, BI is considered as a 10 to the power minus 3. Okay. Then D is equal to, that is size of the sand. It has been not given in the problem. It has been assumed D is equal to 0.45 mm. See here, many times they may not give all the values in the problem. So you should be in position to assume the values, appropriate values. You should be in position to assume that. Okay. Sometimes the problem may be given like this: design a rapid sand filter for a water demand of 12 mld and assume suitable data. Okay. फक्त तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी water demand दिलेलं असेल, nothing else. Then at that time you should imagine, you should assume all this data required to design the rapid sand filter. Okay, so here we are assuming the rate of filtration, then breakthrough index, then we assume here the rapid sand, the size of the sand here, and then L by B ratio. Here again it is assumed that 1.25, and head loss capital H is equal to 2.5 meter is assumed. So these things are required. This H, then D, and then BI is required to find out the depth of sand filter. Okay. This sand ची जी डेप्थ आहे ती आपण जो फॉर्म्युला आपण त्या ठिकाणी बघितला, तो फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा असेल तर आपल्याला ह्या गोष्टी अजून कराव्या लागतील. डेप्थ लागेल, डी लागेल, एच लागेल. ठीक आहे. So that we have assumed this data. The thing here, first we have calculated is the surface area of the filter. So let us find out the surface area of the filter. The same formula we have to use here that we have used in the slow sand filter, and AS is equal to Qmax upon our rate of filtration. Okay, put that value of Qmax divided by RF rate of filtration and find out what is the total surface area required. Okay, do it and tell me the answer.
2000 meter square.
It has come 2000 meters square.
83.33.
See here, the rate of filtration is 6000 and Qmax is equal to is 12 into 10 to the power 6. Okay, now here this rate of the surface area we have to find out in meter square. See here, the unit of this is in liter per meter square per hour. There is no problem. But what about the discharge? Discharge unit is liter per hour per day. Okay, here we cannot divide this two units, okay, two values unless and until we have the same unit. जोपर्यंत आपल्याकडे सेम युनिट होत नाही तोपर्यंत आपण डिवाइड करू शकत नाही, बरोबर आहे. डिस्चार्ज हा दिलेला आहे लिटर पर डे आणि याचं युनिट आहे लिटर पर मीटर स्क्वेअर पर आवर. ओके, टाइमचं जर युनिट बघितलं तर हा आवर मध्ये आणि हा डे मध्ये, सो डिवायडेशन होणार नाही. सो काय करायला लागेल आपल्याला, हा जो क्यू मॅक्स आहे वी हॅव टू कन्वर्ट दिस क्यू मॅक्स इन लिटर पर आवर. ओके, काय करावं लागेल त्यासाठी, y to divide by 24. Okay, so that you will get this discharge in hour, liter per hour. After that we have to divide by using this formula. We have to find out what is the surface area. If anyone has done that mistake, please correct it. See here, surface area we have got as 83.33. If you don't divide it by 24, then you will have your answer will be wrong. कारण युनिट त्या ठिकाणी सेम पाहिजे न्यूमरेटर आणि डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये. Either you can convert days in hours or hours into days, no problem. You will get the same value. Now here we have seen that the range of the surface area is between 20 to 50 meters square. Here in this range, where it has gone, surface area right here, fifth point, 20 meters square to 50 meters square. Okay, 50. So here we cannot provide a single filter of the 83 meters square. So if you consider 2 filters, then it can be worked out. So now again, when we provide the 2 filters, we should again provide one more additional filter for the emergency purpose or for the maintenance purpose. Okay, so here after dividing this value by 2, you will get here the value as a 41.67. so this is the area required for the single filter unit. Okay, then by using L by B ratio we can find out what is the breadth and length for that. Solve this and tell me what is the value.
B 6 meter, L 7.5 meter.
Okay, correct. B is equal to 5.77 meters, L is equal to 7.2. So we can make the rounding of this figure. If it is required, you can make it round up. Next point is to find out the depth of sand bed. Okay, we have found here the dimensions of this sand filter, length and breadth. Next point is to find out what is the depth of sand bed. So to find out this depth of sand bed, we have to use that formula, Hudson formula, right? This is the formula. QD cube H divided by L is equal to BI into 29323. Okay, so for this, use this formula. We have assumed this value for the BI. We have assumed the value of capital H. We have assumed the value of D. Okay, and Q already we have considered there. this rate of flow, we have considered 6,000, and we have to multiply this rate of flow by 2, that is factor of safety, to get this value of q. Okay, small q. So here we got, and again, there should not be a confusion in the unit. This q is measured in meter cube per meter square per hour. So we have to convert that 12,000 in here. Here liter per meter cube per hour is the unit. Okay. So apply ह्याच्यामध्ये meter cube मध्ये convert करायला. So we got the value as a 12 meter cube per hour per meter square. Put that values in this equation. H value we have considered here as a 2.5, D value 0.45, 0.45 cube, and H value 2.5. After putting this value, we get the value of L is equal to 0.093 meter or 93 mm. So this is the depth of sand bed required for this rapid sand filter. Okay. So after this, do these things, find the depth of sand bed, write down this in your notebook. Okay, is it over? Yes. So here we have 15 minutes more. We will have a practice of another problem for the design of rapid sand filter. Okay. Okay, let us write down this problem. Determine depth of rapid sand filter for 5 mld water supply for the following data. So in previous problem, most of the things were not given, but here in this problem, they have given most of the things. First, backwash water is equal to 5% of the filtered water. Backwashing period 30 minutes. Rate of filtration is equal to 5,000 liter per hour per meter square. Provide L by B is equal to 1.5. Breakthrough index, that is BI, is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. Terminal head loss, that is capital H, is equal to 2.5 meter. Diameter of the sand particles is equal to 0.6 mm. Okay. खालचे 3 गोष्टी जे आहेत, so that are required to find out the L. L काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला त्या गोष्टी लागतील. Now in this problem, additional these things has been given here: backwash water as well as backwash period. So what will this what effect this will make on this discharge and on the total design of the system. That is the new thing here that we are going to learn. Write down this first, or you can directly write down these things in the given column, okay, because it double birth तुम्हाला लिहावं लागेल. So instead of that, in the given also the same thing we have to write down. In the given, Q is equal to 5 mld. %5 of the filter water required for the backwashing. ओके, म्हणजे आपण जे फिल्टर केलेलं पाणी आहे त्यातलं फिल्टर्ड वॉटर जे आहे त्यातलं 5% पाणी आपल्याला परत बॅक वॉशिंगसाठी वापरायचं आहे. बॅक वॉशिंगचा कन्सेप्ट आपण शिकलेलो आहोत. बॅक वॉशिंग इज नथिंग बट फिल्टर आपल्याला क्लीन करायचं आहे, त्याचा मेंटेनन्स करायचं आहे. सो आपण काय करतो, खालून पाणी त्याच्यामध्ये प्रेशरनी फ्लो करतो, जेणेकरून आतमध्ये जे क्लॉगिंग झालेलं आहे ते जे फ्लॉक्स वगैरे त्यात अडकून बसले ते सगळे निघून हे बाहेर या ठिकाणी आपण काढतो. सो दॅट इज बॅक वॉशिंग ऑफ द रॅपिड सँड फिल्टर. ओके, त्यासाठी 5% पाणी हे या ठिकाणी रिझर्व केलेलं आहे. सो दॅट थिंग ऑल्सो वी हॅव टू कन्सिडर. जर या ठिकाणी फ्लो 5 mld असेल, इफ द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द वॉटर इज 5 mld आणि त्यातलं 5% जर पाणी आपण जर या ठिकाणी बॅक वॉशिंगला वापरलं तर सिटीमध्ये जाणारा पाण्याचा फ्लो काय होईल, त्या ठिकाणी कमी होईल. द रेट ऑफ फ्लो विल बी लेस बिकॉज 5% ऑफ वॉटर वी आर युजिंग हिअर. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? So what we have to do, we have to filter additional water than this. 5 mld पेक्षा जास्त पाणी आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी फिल्टर करावं लागेल. किती जास्त करावं लागेल? 5%. टोटल फिल्टर जे आपण पाणी करतो त्याच्या 5% हे जास्त पाणी फिल्टर करावं लागेल, विच इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द बॅक वॉशिंग पर्पज. ओके, सो नाव हिअर backwash period, so they have given 30 minutes, that is 0.5 hours. Rate of filtration given 5000. L by V ratio is given, head loss is given, D is given, backwash water percentage 5%. So if you consider 1 as a total filtered water or rate of filtration discharge, if you consider, okay, then ह्याच्या 5% म्हणजे किती झालं? 1च्या 5% मीन्स 0.05. ओके, एवढं ॲडिशनल पाणी आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी फिल्टर करायचं आहे. ओके, सो वी हॅव टू ॲड दिस हिअर अँड टू गेट द टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ फिल्टर्ड वॉटर. ओके, इट विल बी 1.05, राईट. देन रिवाइज्ड डिस्चार्ज विल बी, हा 5 काय होता या ठिकाणी ऑलरेडी रिक्वायर्ड आहे, त्यासाठी आपल्याला ॲडिशनल डिस्चार्ज जो काढायचा आहे. सो व्हॉट वी हॅव टू डू, वी हॅव टू मल्टिप्लाय दिस व्हॅल्यू बाय दिस 1.05. ओके, अदरवाइज डायरेक्टली ऑल्सो यू कॅन डू इट. 5 into 5% of this means 0.05. I will write here by using this. 5 into 0.05 means 5 plus, you will do it. So 5 plus, आता 5 मेला जर आपण गुणलं तर काय येईल? 0.25. ओके, सो इट विल कम 5.25 mld. एवढं पाणी आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी फिल्टर करायचं. ॲक्च्युली गरज किती आहे? 5 mld ची गरज आहे सिटीमध्ये, पण हे ॲडिशनल आपण 0.25 mld का करतोय? कारण ते 0.25 mld पाणी जे आहे, सो दॅट विल बी युटिलाइज फॉर द बॅक वॉशिंग ऑफ द सँड फिल्टर. ओके, so in this way we can find out the revised discharge for the sand filter. Okay, see here now again this filters रॅपिड सँड फिल्टर जो आहे हा 24 तासापैकी 30 मिनिट हा काय करतो आपण, आउट ऑफ द 24 hours 30 minutes और 0.5 hours हा त्याचं क्लिनिंगसाठी आपण त्याला दिलेलं आहे, बॅक वॉशिंगसाठी. ओके, मग टोटल 24 आवर्स पैकी 24 तास हे फिल्ट्रेशन त्या ठिकाणी होत नाहीये. 24 मायनस 0.5 आवर्स हे आपण त्यातून मायनस करावं लागेल. त्या ठिकाणी फिल्ट्रेशन किती होते मग 23.5 आवर्स एवढंच फक्त त्या ठिकाणी एवढ्या वेळेत फिल्ट्रेशन होतं. राईट, एवढ्या वेळेतच त्या ठिकाणी फिल्ट्रेशन होतं. सो टू गेट दिस रेट ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन, जो आपण त्या ठिकाणी रेट ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन काढलेला आहे 5.25 एवढं आपल्याला जर त्या ठिकाणी फिल्ट्रेशन पाहिजे असेल तर आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, वी हॅव टू डिवाइड दॅट व्हॅल्यू बाय 23.5 ह्याने आपल्याला डिवाइड करावं लागेल. मग आपल्याला काय होईल त्या ठिकाणी 24 तास जर आपण कंटिन्यू या ठिकाणी एवढ्या सप्लायने जर पाणी काढलं तर आपल्याला हा एवढा डिस्चार्ज त्या ठिकाणी भेटतो. बरोबर आहे. पण या ठिकाणी 24 तास कंटिन्यू आपण वापरतच नाही. हा किती तास वापरतो आपण 23.5 आवर. मग एवढा डिस्चार्ज काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, डिस्चार्ज त्या ठिकाणी वाढवावं लागेल. ओके, एवढा वेळ वापरण्यासाठी. मग आता या ठिकाणी काय करावं लागेल आपल्याला, जी व्हॅल्यू आपली आलेली आहे 5.25 into 10 to the power 6, we have to divide it by 23.5. So this is the actual discharge that we will require through the filtration. Okay, एवढा त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला फिल्ट्रेशनचा रेट असणार आहे किंवा डिस्चार्ज असणार आहे. नेक्स्ट वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट, नाउ दिस इज आवर वी कॅन से इट इज आवर क्यू मॅक्स. हे आपलं क्यू मॅक्स आहे. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट व्हॉट इज सरफेस एरिया. क्यू मॅक्स आपल्याला फाइंड केलं. सरफेस एरिया या ठिकाणी दिलेला आहे त्यांनी, ROF दिलेला आहे 5000. सो क्यू मॅक्स डिवाइडेड बाय 5000 यू विल गेट हियर the surface area of the filter, and it has come 44.62 meters square. So now we have seen that range of the rapid sand filter is from 20 to 50 meters square. So it is not necessary to provide the two filters for the filtering this discharge. एवढा डिस्चार्ज फिल्टर करण्यासाठी दोनची गरज नाहीये. बट वी नीड वन मोर फिल्टर ॲज अ स्टँड बाय. ओके, इमर्जन्सीसाठी वापरण्यासाठी आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी एक फिल्टर लागेल. सो दॅट फिल्टर, सो वी नीड टू प्रोव्हाइड टू फिल्टर्स हिअर. दोन फिल्टर्स आपल्याला या ठिकाणी प्रोव्हाइड करावं लागतील. ठीक आहे. And then here, as we require only one filter for the filtration purpose, so directly we can take this surface area as a surface area of a single filter, and we can find out the dimensions of that by using this L by B ratio. It has been given there in the problem. So use this relation and find out what is the length and breadth for this filter. Okay. And here we can mention that provide 2 unit out of which one is standby. अशा ह्या डायमेन्शनचे 2 युनिट आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी प्रोव्हाइड करावे लागतील. So this was about the dimensions of the sand that filter. Next thing is we have to find out what is the length or depth of the sand bed. Sand bed ची depth आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी काढायची आहे. So for that purpose we use the Hudson formula here, and whatever the given things are there in the problem, by using that we will find out what is the small l. Okay, they have given the rate of filtration that is 5000. If you multiply it by 2 you will get here q in terms of liter per hour per meter square, but हे आपल्याला मीटर क्यूब मध्ये पाहिजे. So convert that in meter cube and you will get here the value of small q as a 10 meter cube per hour per meter square. This value is given, these values are also given. Put that values in the problem and find out the length of the filter, depth of the filter, and here we got the depth of the sand bed as a 0.46 meter. Okay, which depth आलेली आहे 0.46 meter. So in this way we have to solve the problem. So here you can see only they have asked for the depth of the sand filter, so you can find out the depth only. So do the calculation part and tell me the answer. Is there any difficulty in understanding this problem? Solve this problem. I will I will take your attendance. So we have solved, completed this point, that is design of slow sand filter and rapid sand filter here. From the next lecture, we will start the next unit. The time is about to finish. Those students who have completed the problem, they can leave the session. So let us stop now. Thank you, one and all.